Welcome to my channel, Tanesh here. In this video, I am going to discuss about do while loop. In the last video, we discussed about while loop. Let's start. Java do while loop. See, loops in any programming language. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. Do while loop. So what's the difference between while loop and do while loop? While loop, you may be familiar. The do while loop is a variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block at least once before checking the condition whether it is true or not. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. To summarize, the loop will always be executed at least once. That's the difference between while loop and do while loop. In the case of while loop, if the condition is not true, the loop won't execute. In the case of do while loop, the loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. This is the syntax. Do the code block. Finally, we are giving the condition, while condition. In the while loop, we are giving while condition, then the code block. So since the condition is given at the end, here the block of code must be executed at least once. Let's do a program based on this. We will go to the Eclipse IDE. So here we have given int I is equal to 0. Now do. Then we have the block of code. We are printing system dot out dot println I. Then we need to increment the value of I, because since for the loop is to be executed. Then we will get into the condition while we are giving the condition I less than 5. Let's execute this. When we execute it, you can see here it's given as 0 1 2 3 4. But you need to understand, if I am giving I is equal to 9, you need to see here int I is equal to 9, but here the condition is I must be less than 5. Then here we will execute. What we can see here is I is printed as 9. So the block of code is executed once, even though the condition is wrong. But if we are giving it in the while loop, there won't be any output. It won't print anything. Here, even though the condition is wrong, it is executing once. So here I is initialized as 9 and it is printing here 9. So that's all about do while loop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.